Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What's been going on? Well, this whole week I have been busy. As you can tell, I lacked a couple of days there for getting a video out. This is part of the reason I was a little late on getting some videos out. I was busy getting my parts cars in. I got another 58 Ford to finish off that 58 that's behind me, plus the 58 Fairlane that's in the garage that I started this all with. They finally came in, so I can get back on track with the Fairlane builds now. Now, what I brought you out here to show you is how I value this stuff. You can see this one, she's pretty mangled up. She's, yeah, I got it out of the local junkyard here for 300 bucks. Now, 300 bucks sounds like a lot for this kind of a car in this kind of a condition, but it saves me a ton of money because all the glass is good, all of the garnish is here, all the trim. I can fix that piece right there. But all of this stuff is ultra expensive, and some of it is unobtainium. They just don't make it anymore. So now I got everything to put that one back together. Plus, I need the door hinges off of that side for the Fairlane over there. Each one of them hinges runs about, I'd be $100 into the hinges on that. So I got good hinges now for the Fairlane. I got a back seat. That thing is expensive to order it. Then you got to recover it and everything. This one, I can throw a Mexican blanket quick rat rod upholstery job. All the springs are good. So my back seat is covered and good, ready to rock and roll. Now you can see here on this back seat, it's actually got the old-timey seat cover on it. So if I peel her back, she's in good shape. The vinyl is actually still in extremely good shape. So my seats are ready to go for the Fairlane build. All of that's in. Most all of the window garnish is still here. I got all the window regulators, a couple more handles. So all that stuff goes over for that Ford 300. So that puts that project back on track. Plus it puts the original Fairlane back on track. And saves me a buttload of money just by buying another almost complete, wrecked, nasty, broke another Ford. And the floors in this one, I pulled it up earlier, but it's kind of sitting hard here. The floors in this one is all still extremely good shape. So I can pull cut all the floors and re-weld them in to the Fairlane build, and I can piece it up to the pieces I need to also complete off the 300 build. So that saves me, oh Lord, that's over all of those pieces there. That's about $1,000 there. You can kind of get where I'm going with it. The heater controls, all of the HVAC system in there. I need all of that for the Fairlane. So there I go. I got it all. And when I was out there, I bumped it and it all seems to work pretty good. The old-timey original factory option seat belts, I can recover them, get them or clean them up and get them ready for the Fairlane. You can see where I'm getting at. It just saves me a tremendous amount of money. Plus the turn signal cam, that's all in really good shape. That's another 50 bucks there. You add all that up, this car saved me thousands of dollars. And I got a couple more that I got to get and bring in just like it, that I got for the same price. So when you're looking for parts and you're doing this on a budget, I can't recommend it enough to just keep your eyes open, keep your finger on the pulse, and check around. Look for parts cars. They save you so much time and money. Well, sometimes not so much time, but the money side, way cheaper to go this route. Anyway, I hope that helps out there, and stay tuned for more Fairlane stuff now. Just as soon as I get that Mercury up and rolling, we're jumping right back onto the Fairlane, because now I got everything that I need to complete that one. We'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot, and we'll see you on the next one.